Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings because this is the place where we will customize this mode, and after that I will show much faster access to this feature. Now let's tap on the display, and as you can see here we've got the comfort view option, which is, let's say, eye comfort, so let's tap on it. Now this option is obviously off. In order to turn it on right now, just tap on use comfort view right here. Let's tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light. What's more, you can change the intensity of that feature just by swiping, so it's really up to you how you want to set it. By going to the right you can make it much warmer, and by going to the left much cooler. So let me leave it like this, for example. What's more, under the intensity option we've got the black and white option. Now it is off, just pay attention to those colors. After tapping on this switcher we can easily activate this option, so from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be only in the black and white colors and in the shades of them. So we can go back to our homepage, and as you can see our colorful wallpaper is not as colorful as it was. Let me go back to all these settings and let me turn off this option. What's more, under use comfort view we've got the schedule option, so after tapping on the switcher we can schedule it, and let's tap here and we can decide if we'd like to schedule it from sunset to sunrise, or we can set the time. So we can tap on it, and here manually we can choose the from time, so this is the time where this mode will be started. Let's tap on OK, and the end time, for example this one, and as you can see it is immediately applied. But let me turn off the schedule option. Let's get back, and actually this is the whole customization of this feature. Now I will show you much faster access to this mode. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find proper icon, which will be right here. Here we've got the comfort view. Now in order to turn it on, just tap on it, and again the screen turns yellowish. Obviously in order to turn it off, just tap on it again and the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable and customize the eye comfort mode in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.